Hello, we're here in my super dirty bathroom because today I'm going to show you exactly how I trim my own hair at home to save money, and I'm not a hairstylist. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kristin. Today I want to show you exactly how I cut my own hair at home for free. This saves me a lot of money throughout the year. My hair grows very fast and needs to trim often, but I don't feel like going to the hairstylist, nor do I want to spend the money every couple weeks. You are with me in my bathroom. Please excuse the poor lighting and the mess. I'm kind of filming this on a whim. I've been wanting to do it for months, and every time I cut my hair, I totally forget to film it. So this is gonna be quick and simple. This is called the unicorn method. I actually found this on YouTube when I was Googling hair cutting tutorials to try and figure out how to cut my hair myself. Now, I'm not sure how well this is going to work on super short hair. You can tell mine's pretty long right now. But if you do have any kind of length, or especially if your hair is wavy or curly, this should work pretty well. What I'm going to do is actually hop in the shower and wash my hair really quick. Then I will come back and show you the steps exactly how I do it. And I'm probably just going to do it in a voiceover because I'm going to have my head flipped over and I'm already going to have some weird sound from the echoing in this bathroom, so as it is. So bear with me. I think you guys are going to like this. It's super fast, it's super easy, and it's going to save you a ton of money. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I actually decided not to take a shower and just wet my hair, and I didn't brush it before or use shampoo and conditioner, so I'm going to speed up quickly through this very long process of me combing out my hair. But you want to make sure you have no knots and no tangles before you start. The next thing you want to do is just pat dry your hair. Try to be as gentle as possible, and you don't want your hair to actually start drying, but what you do want is to just go ahead and get out all of that excess water. I flip it up and down a couple times. You don't want water dripping from your hair. Now the next thing you want to do is grab a tight hair tie and a brush. I like this wet brush, and go ahead and put it up in your hair tie. You really want to comb through or brush through your hair really well so that you don't have any bumps or any pieces that aren't super flat against your head. You want them really flat and everything brushed through very well, because any pieces that are not flat against your head won't actually cut evenly. Also want to put your ponytail as close to your forehead as you possibly can get it. And this is partly why it's called the unicorn method, you'll see, because you're putting this big ponytail on the very top of your head, and it almost looks like a unicorn horn. And once you get your ponytail on the top of your head, like I mentioned, you want to use a pretty tight hair tie because you really want to keep it secure and in place while you're cutting your hair. I wrap it around a good 3 times, and this is one of those thick, goody hair ties. Now, once you have your ponytail on the top of your head, what you want to do is start brushing all the way through your ponytail. And I use my hand to smooth the side, as you can see. What you want to be focusing on is trying to make this as flat as possible. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be explaining this adequately, but you really want to continue to smooth the hair as flat as possible between your hand and your brush. You can see here I'm showing you that it's almost in a line, in a horizontal line. These are scissors I just got from Amazon a couple years ago. I really loved them. I'll link them down below. They're super affordable and they work very well. I've been using them for years and they still cut perfectly. Continue to smooth it down all the way to the bottom, and you want to cut on an angle here. So you can see I'm cutting at the bottom a little bit closer to my hand that's holding the hair, and then I'm going outward towards the tip of the ponytail. I only take about 1/4 inch off at a time, And then I'm gonna just go back through and make sure I got every spot so it's even. Cutting on an angle is actually going to put a very, very light layering effect in your hair. So if you do not want any layering effect, then you want to cut straight across and not on an angle at all. Take out your ponytail, brush out your hair. I have a lot of hair and it's very thick, so I am going to go ahead and time lapse this because it's going to take a couple of minutes. And while I know it's kind of hard to tell from the video, it did turn out really even straight across my back. Okay guys, so unfortunately I don't have time to completely dry and straighten my hair right now, but I think you probably can tell, I should have showed you the ends before, but all the dead ends are off. It feels a little bit lighter just that fast, and you can see I only took about a 1/4 inch off. It's probably not a technique I would use to do a big giant haircut, like a huge change, but just taking a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch, even less off every couple weeks makes my hair feel so much better. And when I dry and straighten it, even if it's not perfectly straight, you will not be able to tell. Cutting it in a point, as I mentioned, will actually bring it slightly V'd in the back. The sharper the angle you cut it on, the greater that V would be when your hair lays in the back. You can see I have a little bit shorter layering, face framing around the side there, but nothing too substantial. If you cut it too sharply, these could be much shorter on the side, and I just like them a little bit more gradual. So play around with it. You want to start off really small and increase over time as you get more comfortable and you get more practice. So I hope you liked this video. I told you it was really simple, easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Disclaimer, I'm not a licensed hair professional. If you are not comfortable doing this by yourself, by all means, please go see your stylist. I'm not trying to take business away from anybody. This is just what works for me to maintain my hair that gets very easily damaged in between my big hair appointments. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope to see you back here real soon. Bye.